Hey, this is Truman Murphy, and I want to introduce to you today the new Primo series of spinning reels from Cadence. These reels come with a magnesium frame and side plate, which makes it extremely light without sacrificing strength. The Primo has a 10+1 ball bearing system, with 4 of those bearings being high-quality Japanese bearings. The carbon fiber drag system is extremely smooth and powerful. We've also sealed the drag system to help the longevity of the drag and to also keep water and dirt out. The carbon fiber handle is extremely strong, but also reduces the overall reel weight. The EVA handle knobs are comfortable, which is extremely crucial on those long days on the water. The one-piece aluminum bail is strong and durable. We've upgraded the spool to braid ready so that you can tie braid directly onto the spool without any mono backing.
Introducing the brand new Carbon X. The Carbon X is meticulously crafted with an all-carbon fiber body, rotor, and side plate, making it one of the lightest in its class, weighing in at a mere 7.8 ounces. The Carbon X features a lightning-fast 6.2-to-1 gear ratio. The high-speed retrieve helps every angler battle the strong, fast runs of the biggest fish, ensuring that you land your next giant on tournament day. The new Carbon X is extremely smooth, boasting 10+1 premium shielded stainless steel ball bearings. These bearings are critical for increased smooth operation, retrieval performance, and corrosion resistance.
Guys, the Carbon X is loaded with incredible features, like our reinforced anti-corrosion stainless steel main shaft, our zinc alloy drive gear, the direct drive-in screw-in aluminum handle, our hollow mesh-shaped spool that causes light weight for the reel, and then also we've got a positive click drag, high-density EVA knob. Guys, these are features that are found in reels that are a much higher price range, but we want you to be able to afford the best on the market.
Hi, I'm Ben Joyce, Penn Brand Manager, here today to talk to you about an exciting new launch for us, the Pursuit 3. The Pursuit 3 is the 3rd generation in the Pursuit line, and we've added some extra features to it to make it the best value in the Penn lineup. Before we take a look at all the new features, let's take a look at the sizes that we offer. We've added a new 2500 size, and we've kept the remaining sizes from our prior generation, which was a 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, and 8000. Overall, we've kept a lot of the same features from the previous generation. We have a corrosion-resistant graphite body and rotor with a metal side plate to ensure the gears stay in precise alignment. We have a 4+1 bearing system. We have 2 bearings on the main gear, 2 bearings on the pinion gear. We have a double anodized spool with line capacity rings. And some of the exciting new features we have are the HT100 carbon fiber drag washers, as well as the super line gasket.
There he is. We're up back here in the backcountry catching a few sharks on the new Pursuit 3. We upgraded the drag material into HT100, so Penn's lowest price spinning reel now comes equipped with HT100 drag, and it's perfect for catching these big sharks.
The HT100 carbon drag washers are a big upgrade from the oiled felt that we used in the past. We get asked a lot what HT100 stands for. The HT stands for high tech, and the 100 means that 100 miles of line can be run off without showing any wear on these drag washers. The super line gasket, what this gasket allows you to do is tie braid directly onto the arbor of the spool so that you don't have lines slipping on there. We also offer all of these size reels in combos. One of the main additions that we've added is our Penn Dura guides. These are a one-piece stainless steel guide, so you no longer have to worry about inserts popping out. We also added, as a complement to our 2500 reel, a 2500 combo. So now in the Pursuit 3 lineup, you have a combo for everything from freshwater pond fishing to surf fishing. So that wraps up the Pursuit 3 line. Look for them.
You know exactly where it ends, where it slopes, and where it it slow.